Hello friends, welcome back again to our series of topics. In today's topic, we'll just finalize the topics under draw section, and that will be self-test 3. So we'll ask you some of the questions related to section 3 or part 3 of this lesson, where we have discussed different topics just to see how you have actually just understand the lesson and the lessons under this part. So the first question is, what are the different types of drawing tools for drawing? That is the first question. So I hope you can answer those questions. So the next one is, what are the function of drawing tools? Okay, you are able to just identify or mention some of the function of the drawing tools by now. The third one is, ink to mat can be used for what? Here is ink to matches option. What is the main purpose of that one? Ink to mats. The other is, it need your action to take some action. Go and draw color ties for kids under the title Kids Talent. Kids Get Talent. So give the title Kids Get Talent, then go and draw different colors for kids. So action again, the question number 5 is, go and draw shape types of kids under the title Kids Got Talent again. So go and draw shapes, different shapes. So those are the questions. I'll give you a few minutes to just work on before I proceed to the answer for those questions. So let me give you a few minutes, or you can actually pause the video and answer them and come back again to see the answers. Let me give you a few seconds, then I will go to the last part of this document and highlight for you the answer for those questions. Just before I highlight those, discuss those points, you should be able to answer some of the questions before that. So here are the answers to self-test question 3. The first question says, what are the different types of drawing tools for drawing? So the answer is, these contain different tools like eraser, like you can see here, different pens, size and shapes, and highlighter, and also action pen. So those are different tools we can use for drawing and highlighting and erasing and doing some actions. For example, the reason can raise something, the other are actually to highlight part of the document like this. You can highlight, for example, like this. Okay, you can, for action pen, for example, you can show like this. So those are some of the tools and their functionality. The second question is, what is or are the function of drawing tools? I've already mentioned some of them. The answer is to draw different shapes and styles. Different shapes and styles with different colors. so you can use these different colors to make use of them. For example, if I show you, for example, some of them here, I can highlight different color, uh, like this. So that is to use different shapes and styles with different colors. So let's proceed to question 3. Question 3 says ink to matte can be used for what? Here is ink to matte. So the answer is converting handwritten math equation into typed numbers and the symbols. This is good to teach kids, especially for online teaching. So you have to go into ink to maths, then you can insert your maths or your symbols. So that will actually helpful for kids. The fourth question is which need your action, by the way, and let me insert part of that. Go and draw color types for kids under title Kids Talent. Kids Got Talent. Then use draw different using different colors. That was the question. So you can use different color. For example, green, pink, black, orange, lavender. So different colors can be used for to make and display different colors. Especially this is very useful to teach kids. So I'm expecting still you to draw some of the shapes using different colors. So question number 5 is actually is also to take action. Go and draw shape types of for kids under the title Kids Talent. So go to ink to shape and draw circle, draw rectangle or square and triangle or an arrow. That is what is expected from you. I can show some of them here. This is, for example, circle, square, triangle, rectangle, and arrow. So you are expected to draw something like this. So that is it, and I hope you can practice that in your time. For the time being, that's all for, I think we have covered and answered all the questions presented under self-test 3, and go and do yourself some of the actions needed by you. And that's all for today. We have answered some of the questions under this self-test 3, self-test question 3. So that's it, and thank you very much, and bye bye.